Another day has almost come and gone. I can't imagine what else could go wrong. Sometimes I'd like to hide away somewhere and lock the door. A single battle lost, but not the war. 'Cause tomorrow's another day, and I'm thirsty anyway, so bring on the rain. Yeah, I might feel defeated, and I might hang my head. I might be barely breathing, but I'm not dead. No, tomorrow's another day.